I have been trying to losing my weight, but I cannot help it. I have been doing workout, I have been doing diet, but I don't know why. Maybe God want to make me something like this. If these are the some of your thoughts, then I have some good news for you. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat. Friends, I still remember those days when I used to do so much diets, when I used to do so much workout, but I was not getting any results. One day my dietitian just replied to me that there is a system of weight loss, and if the system is not working, then no one can help you. On that time, I also thought that what is the problem with me? I am having the good carbohydrates, I am including good protein diets, I am doing all the things which my dietitian is telling to me, and why my dietitian is not cooperating me and why my weight is not getting loose. Since on that very time I have decided that in my life I am going to learn about the nutrition, I am going to learn about the what are the secrets of a good health, and definitely this is some of the things I'm going to share with you right now. Today I'm going to tell you about it, what are the 3 mistakes I used to make on that time when I was working out, when I was doing dieting in a wrong way. Although I was doing my dieting for a long time, it was an unstoppable dieting. But one mistake which I was making, that I was consuming a lot of sugar. I used to consume 5 cups of tea in a day, and it was a major problem for me because the fat of our body works in different way. Our fat, let's take an example that if you go to a gym and after that you have a pizza and next day you see a increment in your weight, but it is not the weight of your fat, it is the weight of a water. So that's why we should not be worried about it. But the weight which I was consuming, it was the visceral fat, which is not good for your health. Even that's why I became the pre-diabetic also. But I was not ready to accept this thing that sugar is harming my body, and my body has stopped consuming or stopped reacting against the carbohydrate. So that's why whatever kind of carbohydrates I was having, but because of the high insulin levels, my carbohydrate is not absorbing in a proper way. That's why my fat was increasing. So if you want to start, if you are feeling stuck, then try to stop sugar from your life and replace it with stevia. There are many other options also, but I like to suggest you to use stevia. You can use 70% stevia and 30% of sugar in your diet if you want to see some result. And please stop consuming tea. Tea is another socially approved drug. This is what I call it. If you still want to take the tea, then take it in morning and evening, but don't consume it in whole day, especially in your office. The second mistake which I was making, that I was not aware about the terminology binge eating. Binge eating is a terminology which means that a person is keep on eating whether good or bad things in his or her life. I'll give you an example of it. Let's say that I was having a besan chilla in morning, after that I consume a tea. After that I take a chach or a buttermilk, then I consume a tea. After that I have my lunch and consume a tea. After that at 4 p.m. I have the curd and almonds, and after that I consume a tea. Or I have a biscuit, I have a chips, and after that I reach back to my home, and after that again I consume something, and after that I take my dinner. It is a binge eating. I am not able to stop my eating in whole day from waking up to evening. It can be the problem. In my life, the tea was the problem. In your life, it can be the biscuits. In your life, it can be the chips. In your life, it can be the McDonald's finger chips. Whatever you say, but don't do binge eating. You need to stop. You need to concentrate that what you are eating bingely, because it has to be stopped, whether it is a healthy thing or not. The third thing is the most important thing. believe in yourself. Friends, whether you do it or whether you cannot do it, you're always right. Once I decided that I have to take all the things, I have to get myself into that very knowledge, I have to do something about my health. And the one thing which I decided that I will do workouts, I will gain the knowledge inch by inch. And I started taking knowledge. I started taking knowledge about the complex carbohydrate and how to cook it. I have started taking knowledge about the protein diet. I have started taking knowledge about the ketogenic diet. I have started taking knowledge about the intermittent fasting. And day by day, the time has taken for me to do the bad diets was the 10 years. But it was the 5 years of the way in which I have learned a lot about the diets, and which is what I'm going to share with you people also. And even I'm sharing this time also. So friends, these are some of the 3 things which I have applied in my health journey to reach where I am right now. I was the obese, I was not in good in shape, I was having the bad skin problem, I was having the bad hair problem, but now many of my problems, almost 99% problems are being solved. And even you can say that I'm 110% fit person. Friends, if you wish to start your health journey, if you want to achieve your health goals, then I have created a WhatsApp class for all of you. In the 5 days, you're going to know about that how to lose your weight in 5 days, so that you can repeat this cycle and lose your weight till the mark you want. I'm giving you the link in the description so that you can click it and you join it. For the first 10%, it is free. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.